The Peacock and the Crane. Once upon a time, in a lush, vibrant forest, lived a peacock who was very proud of his beautiful, colorful tail. His feathers were a magnificent array of colors, shimmering in the sunlight, and he loved to show them off to anyone who would look. One sunny day, as he was strutting around, admiring his own reflection in a pond, he encountered a crane. The crane, with her long legs and plain, grayish feathers, seemed dull and uninteresting compared to the peacock. Seeing an opportunity to boast, the peacock approached her with a smug expression. "Good day, Crane," the peacock said, spreading his tail feathers wide for maximum effect. "Just look at my feathers. They shine with all the colors of the rainbow. Aren't they magnificent? Unlike your drab, colorless feathers." The crane looked at the peacock and then at her own wings. She wasn't offended by his words. Instead, she felt a bit sorry for him. She knew that beauty wasn't everything. "It's true, Peacock," the crane replied calmly. "Your feathers are indeed beautiful and colorful. They catch everyone's eye, and you look splendid." The peacock preened, pleased with her words. He strutted around even more, feeling like a king. "But," continued the crane, "there is something you should know. While your feathers are indeed beautiful, they keep you grounded. You can only stay here on the earth showing off to those who are nearby. On the other hand, my feathers, though plain, allow me to fly high above the clouds." The peacock stopped his strutting and looked at the crane, puzzled. "When I soar in the sky," the crane explained, "I can see the whole world from above. I can fly over mountains, rivers, and forests. I can touch the clouds and see the stars up close. The world is full of beauty that you can only dream of." The peacock was silent for a moment. He had never thought about what it would be like to fly. He always believed his beauty was the most important thing. "You see," the crane continued, "while your beauty is undeniable, it also limits you. My plain feathers give me freedom and the ability to explore the world in a way you never can. Beauty is not everything, Peacock. Sometimes the things that seem less impressive are actually more valuable." The peacock felt a twinge of envy. He had always been proud of his looks, but now he realized that he had been missing out on something much greater. "Perhaps," he said slowly, "there is more to life than just looking beautiful." The crane nodded. "Yes, Peacock, there is so much more. True beauty comes from what we can do and the experiences we have, not just how we look." From that day on, the peacock and the crane became friends. The peacock learned to appreciate the world around him more and not just focus on his own beauty. And the crane continued to soar high, exploring the wonders of the world, always ready to share her experiences with her friend on the ground. And so, the peacock learned an important lesson: that real beauty comes from within and from the abilities and experiences that shape our lives.